Do you keep opening the rendering tab every time you want to check your lighting or camera angle? That means waiting for renders again and again. But Coohom already has a feature that lets you preview your scene in seconds. And surprisingly, most users completely ignore it. Let's take a look. Step 1. Open a new project. Before we start, make sure you're working in New Project Pro, so you easily access this feature. Once your room is ready, position your camera at the angle you want to preview. This can be any interior view that you want to check before creating a final render. Now, look at this small render preview window inside Coohom. Many users see it every day, but never actually use it. Simply click the render button here, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Coohom generates a quick preview of your scene without needing to open the full rendering tab. This is perfect for checking lighting, furniture placement, and the overall look of your design. Let's make a few changes. I'll quickly add a dining table, chairs, and some accessories. Nothing complicated. Just enough to change the appearance of the room. Now, you may notice that the preview still shows the old version. Don't worry, the feature is working correctly. You simply need to update your camera angle and generate the preview again. So let's do that. I'll reposition the camera and click render once more. And within a few seconds, the updated preview appears. Why this feature is useful? This feature isn't meant to replace final rendering. Instead, it helps you make decisions faster during the design process. You can quickly check lighting direction, furniture arrangement, camera composition, overall room atmosphere, without opening the rendering tab every time. When you're working on a large project, this can save a surprising amount of time. You can also use this preview window to switch between day and night views, regenerate the preview, expand the window, view it in full screen, generate images directly from the preview. These are small features, but they can make your workflow much smoother. If you're planning to upgrade your Coohom subscription, use my promo code HOMEDESIGNER for up to 73% off Coohom Pro, and use HD Elite for an additional 10% off Elite plans. Links are in the description. If you found this tip helpful, subscribe to Home Designer Academy. If you want to learn how to render, watch this video. And one more thing. If you need any interior design services, whether it's designing a room, creating a professional interior for your home, or building a room to showcase your products, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram. I'd be happy to help bring your ideas to life. I'll see you in the next video with another useful Coohom feature. Thanks for watching.